Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we're going to be going through another Photopea tutorial. Today we're going to be doing something as a way to show you how to share your work with somebody who's collaborating in Photopea, whether that be just to show somebody so they can see it and they can kind of edit and modify it, or whatever that is through the Photopea itself. I found as a teacher, this was pretty handy. If a student was stuck on something, they could share their project with me super fast by sharing me this link rather than a PSD file, because as I deal with Google Classroom quite a bit, I find that a little bit of a lag for them to download that file into Google Classroom, me take it, bring it in, and do that back and forth. Instead, we can quickly get a link. I can do the edits that maybe didn't work on their device and share it right back with them. So for this, I've dropped in my thumbnail for this video. I'm just going to click File. I'm going to go to Share, and I'm going to share as PSD. It's going to ask you if you want to share your document to photopea.com. It's going to say yes, and it's going to have a link pop up in just a moment. Once it pops up, you're going to copy that link, go into your new tab, Control V and paste that in. Click OK. It's just going to take a second for it to load up, and boom, I've got all of the layers. I've got all of that stuff. You can't see your history because that's very specific to while you're doing the work in this program, but I can see all the layers in case there's a layer that's mismatched or put in the wrong way or has a different blending option that it shouldn't have. Now, with that, that's all that we're running through. Pretty quick, pretty amazing feature to help you share this with colleagues or students if you're using this as an educational platform. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe.